Good morning, guys, and welcome. It's Vanessa, and welcome to my new subscribers. And there's another Vanessa that subscribed, so that's cool because you don't usually run into other Vanessas. I'm gonna go break my chicken's neck and then I'll be right back, but in the most loving way possible. I'll be right back. Okay. He has a no crow collar. Well, they both do. We have two roosters. It won't be completely quiet, but I have to go tighten it up slowly so that I don't choke him out and kill him. But anyways, I'm going to move my chimenea, which is in the corner of my deck, and move my table over there so that I can set my camera up and do tutorials for ice dyeing and sewing, like patterny things, propagating plants, things like that. It's just a nice corner to do that. So I'm going to do that. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed today. I have a lot to do. I have to take pictures of overalls and mugs, and I have 3 tie-dye shirts and a beach bag in the washer and dryer, so then I can do those, list those on Etsy. I'm making a pair of white overalls that I'm going to ice dye after they're made. I had probably 325, more than 325 likes for a mug that I posted, and I whacked my head when I was in the chicken coop, so I'm probably gonna forget my name and piss my pants while I'm recording this, but it's fine, just look away. I really did forget what I was talking about. Oh my god. Oh, so I had like 325 likes for one of my mugs and with just a quote on it, and so I was like, oh, I need to throw like 10 of those. Haven't done it yet. There's not enough time in the day. And then I have a friend who had shoulder surgery yesterday, so I'm gonna call her today. And I need to go to Tractor Supply, and we need groceries, and I need to do laundry in the midst of sewing and taking my pictures and putting stuff on Etsy. This is so exciting. See how much quieter that is? Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I hope everybody's doing really well, and I've been focusing on the overalls instead of the skirts, but I'm going to get to, I have one more pair of overalls after the white ones, and then I can focus on the spinner skirts and do a tutorial for that. See, that's a little quieter. Oh my god, I can't. See, if I go down like this, you can see my double chin, and then if I go up like this, my arms get tired. But I look young and thin when I have it up like this. And my weird eye, maybe you don't notice it as much. Deluding myself. I have my potting soil, my little planter out there. See it? Everything is ready. I'm gonna plant. Wait until you see this place when I have my plants all over the place. And this is such an interesting video to you guys. We had a peregrine falcon on top of the chicken coop one day. The chickens were doing their like alarm cry, and we look out the window, there's a friggin' peregrine falcon. I scared it off, but that would tear the shit out of my chickens. So I watched a video of some guy in Massachusetts that has chickens and has had hawks. We live in the woods, and so there's hawks and whatnot, and there's a bird sanctuary pretty close, so that's I think where the falcon came. Tie-dye. I look like a dirt bag. I realized last night when I was watching videos that you can wear rubber gloves when you tie-dye. Interesting. I didn't think of that. I don't have my cup out here. It's really throwing me off that I don't have squeeze the day. So anyway, squeeze the day anyways, and I'll be back later. Here are my favorite overalls once again. I listed those on Etsy, and a couple of my shirts that I finally found a cute place to take pictures. And I got these 2 up on Etsy yesterday. And then I took some pictures of my mugs that I'm going to list. I have to figure out the volume that each one can hold and do measurements, and then I can list those. The thing with the mugs is they're so heavy to ship. $10 for shipping is like underestimating. So that's kind of hard. Here's a beach bag and 2 more shirts that I took pictures of. 3 more shirts that I took pictures of today, and we'll get on Etsy later. And the first one of the first pairs of leggings that I tie-dyed, and here is me in 1 pair of overalls, in 2 pairs of overalls, in 3 pairs of overalls. I would like to acknowledge that I have dog slobber on my shirt, but that's cool. Oh, the overalls. I noticed that the black pair and the purple pair, I have to take in the sides a little bit because they gape a little bit. But I got the pattern by tracing a pair of overalls I bought on Etsy, not from an actual pattern, so I might switch over to the overall pattern that I actually purchased online. Interesting update. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Here is the update on the ladies. They are so cute, and we don't use that feeder for food anymore because they're using it as a roost. And I think that is the most adorable thing ever. I moved them into a bigger space and they are so happy. Hi, I'm wrapping it up. Look what I did. That's from Ice Dyeing freaking Fabric. How freaking cool is this? I'm gonna make something out of that. I'm making the overalls and then dyeing the fabric, and I decided I was gonna, with the scraps, try to ice dye the fabric and then make something out of it. Maybe I'll make a skirt out of it. I don't know. But anyways, I accomplished a lot today. This video was so dumb. Well, no, not really. I accomplished a lot. It's a day in the life of a small business person, right? So I have a white hoodie that I am going to ice dye, and I'm going to do that for the tutorial. Unless I have another long sleeved t-shirt with the hood. I don't know. We'll do that tomorrow for sure. And I just wanted to wrap it up. But anyways, so that's all I have for you today. I was really busy all day long. I got pictures taken. I didn't get the mugs on Etsy, but I got 1 pair of overalls, 3 shirts, a pair of leggings, and beach bag. And I realized this evening that I wanted to add pockets to the purple abstract and the black floral overalls. So then as I was doing that with the purple overalls, I realized I have a buttonhole option on my sewing machine. So I was able to actually put professional looking buttonholes on my overalls instead of crappy ones. So that was cool. And I was able to take in the sides of the gaping pair. So those are ready to go. So that's it. That's the update for sewing, for pictures, for Etsy, for my life. Just got back from a Tractor Supply. Still have dog slobber on my shirt. I hope you guys are doing well. If you made it to the end, that's terrific because this was a whole lot of nonsense. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.